CIMB up to 25% interest per annum. Paano ba to? As you can see here on your screen, you'll earn additional interest as you grow your ADB. Sa madaling salita, you'll earn 25% interest per annum when your ADB, also known as average daily balance,
grows by 50,000 pesos.
So yung formula is day 1 ending balance plus day 2 ending balance plus so on and so forth. You divide the total by the number of days. Let's say nag-deposit ka ng 10,000 pesos on day 1. That means yung balance mo after day 1 is 10,000 pesos. On the next day, nag-deposit ka ng 20,000. That means yung ending balance mo is 30,000 pesos na. Next step is to add these balances. So 10,000 plus 30,000, that gives us 40,000 pesos. And i-divide natin siya sa 2 days. That means your average daily balance is 20,000 pesos. That's how you compute your ADB. This promo is open to all CIMB users. So kung wala ka pang account, you can open one through GCash. Open GCash, tap Savings, Quick Save, CIMB, and sign up from there. This promo is up to December 31, 2024, so take advantage of this now.